Osho Tulimasha Mapel Khushi. In this video, we are going to learn a very important, a very basic topic in French. This video is relevant for anyone who's learning French. The text which you can see on the screen is from HSC 11th standard textbook Rencontre lesson number 3 grammar. Now moving on to the topic. As the name suggests, we are going to learn today ER ending verbs in French. Firstly, there are three categories of verbs in French: ER ending, IR ending, and RE ending. ER, IR, and RE ending. Please be aware if you are taking any notes, we'll move on to that later. First, you have to understand the topic. Now, amongst these three topics, the first one which we are learning over here is ER ending verbs. Very easy. Once you understand this, it is very easy and it is very basic. This you're going to see in every other sentence in French. So be attentive. Now, to conjugate ER ending verbs in French in the present tense, how do we conjugate? Now, firstly, as you can see, the verb is given donner. Donner means to give. The verb donner ends with er. As you can see, donner ends with er. So it is known as er ending verb. Regular er ending verb. Regular means what? I have explained this in my previous videos as well. Regular verbs means such verbs which have some specific pattern. They show a repetitive pattern. And irregular verb means such verb which you have to learn by hand. There is no choice. Okay. So in regular verbs, we have some pattern. Now we are going to learn that pattern. How do we conjugate? How do we make different forms of ER ending verb? These are known as conjugations. The table given below is conjugations of the verb donner. Now these were the basics. Now how to actually solve it? To conjugate any ER ending verb in present tense, any regular ER ending verb in present tense, we drop the ER. We remove the ER. After removing the ER, what is left? DONN. ER is removed. DONN remains. This DONN part is known as radical. We remove the ER. Now what remains is known as the radical. We add the endings of ER to the radical. Now, what do I mean by the endings? For je, we will add E. You can see over here. For je, we will add E. For tu, we will add ES. For il, we will add again E. L, E. O, also E. Moving on to the nu part. For nu, we will add ONS. Vu, we will add EZ. Il and L, we will add ENT. Now please note these three. Il, L and dun. Il, L and O. These three are conjugated in the same manner, and this il and this one L is conjugated in the same manner. Repeat after me. What are the endings of ER ending verbs? E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT. Je, E, tu, ES, il, L, O, E. Nu, ONS, vu, EZ, il, L, ENT. Repeat after me. E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT. You can memorize it by making some action as well. E, ES, E. Je is E, tu is ES, il, L, O is E. Next side. Nu is ONS, vu is EZ, il, L is ENT. Clear with this topic? Clear with this part at least? Okay. Do like and subscribe to my channel if I am reaching out to you. Now I'll repeat once again. We take the main verb. We take the verb infinitive. Then we remove the ER. What remains? Radical. We will add these endings to the radical. Which endings? It would be, for je, we will add the ending E. For tu, ES. For il, L, O, E. For nu, ONS. For vu, EZ, and for eel, L, we'll add ENT. Now I'm giving you some short homework. This is a list of the commonly used ER ending verbs. Very basic. Each and every meaning should be known to you guys in the 11th standard itself, so that it is easier for you to study the 12th standard. Many people do not learn the vocabulary, and then it is really difficult to solve the papers. Take the last page of your notebook, make a list of ER ending verbs, write today's date, write ER ending verbs, then copy down this list. Then come to the front side again, write the topic ER ending verbs. Then on you will write heading ER ending verbs. Step 1, take the infinitive form, main form. Step 2, remove the ER. What remains? Radical. Step 3, add the endings. Now what endings? For je, we'll add E, tu, es, il, l, on, e, nu, ons, vu, ez, il, l, ent. Then solve the verb done. Then again solve 5 verbs from this given table, and please learn the meanings of all the verbs. Even if you're not solving all the verbs, you have to learn the meanings of all these verbs. Do let me know in the comment section how do you find this video. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.